Hey, let's start with assignment of English. Question number 2b, that is match the following. In the first of unit 1, we will see storm's answer will be ended, rain will be advised, colors will be understood mistake, and thunder will be quieted. Now we'll see unit number 2. Birds will be cackled, tigers will be growled, wolves will be howled, and insects will be buzzed. And now, unit 3, undrinkable water is oceans because oceans water is undrinkable. Fresh lakes and water is 0.036%. Fresh water on earth is 2%, and water locked in polar ice caps and glaciers is 1.6%. Unit number 4, Maharaja was of Travancore. Scrap is yam. Guest will be important people, and basket means leftovers. Now, unit number 6, The Moth and the Star. So, that is written by James Thurber. The young moth's dream was catching the star, or else you can say reaching the star. The siblings of the moth burnt to death at young age, and stories of adventure was about catching the star. Now we'll continue with question number 3a. Fill in the blanks. First one, every day I wake up at 6 o'clock, eat breakfast at 7 o'clock, and leave for work at 8 o'clock. So in the three blanks, first will be wake, second blanks eat, and third blanks leave. Second one, I worked for this company for more than 30 years and I intend to stay here until I retire. So the answer will be worked. Third one, Sharon loves to travel. So the answer will be loves. Fourth one, when Carol called last night, I was watching my favorite show on television. So in the fourth one, first blank will be called and second blanks will be was watching. Fifth one, we were late because we had some car problems. By the time we got to the train station, Suzanne was waiting for us for more than 2 hours. So in the fifth one, first blanks will be got and second blanks will be was waiting. Sixth one, right now Jim is reading the newspaper and Kathy is making dinner. So in the sixth one, first blanks is reading and second blanks will be is making. Seventh one, I usually go to school by bus. So seventh answer will be go. Eighth one, we needed some money so we sold our car. So eighth answer will be sold. Ninth one, what is Peter doing now? So in the ninth one, first blanks will be is and second blanks will be doing. Tenth one, Carol often learns with her father. So the answer will be learns. 11th one, New York is one of the largest cities of the world. So answer of 11 blanks will be is. 12th one, this house cost 35,000 pounds in 1980. So the answer will be cost. Now question number 3b. In this you need to write the sentences of correct form of adjectives given in the brackets. So we'll just read the answers and not the questions. First answer is the town is just as large as my native one. Second one, the road was longer than we had expected. Third one, the girl is very intelligent. Fourth one, as soon as they understood that the second book was more boring than the first one, they changed their mind. Fifth one, Ventspils is a far town in Latvia I have been to. Sixth one, the cold is more harmful than the heat. Seventh one, this song is the most beautiful one in the world. Eighth one, The world was the most exciting one. Sorry, the story was the most exciting one I have ever heard. Ninth one, we were more tired than them. Tenth one, the shop is farther than the school. 11th one, they are as stubborn as donkeys. And 12th one, the weather today is worse than the weather yesterday. Now we will continue with question number 3C, that is, you need to change the sentences into indirect speech. And in this also, we'll be directly doing the answers, will not read out the questions. First one, she apologized for being late. Second one, he admitted that he broke the window. Third one, she reminded me to buy flowers on my way home. Fourth one, he threatened me to kill me if I tell the teacher. Fifth one, she warned us not to play with matches. Sixth one, we arranged the meet at 7 o'clock. Seventh, she forbade me not to open that box. Eighth one, he permitted me to close the window. Ninth one, the housekeeper said that they cleaned that room every day. 10th one, the watchman said that they were eating then. 11th one, my mother said that she had a lot of work that day. 12th one, Rupesh asked that what was happening there. 13th one, the king asked that where were his soldiers. 14th one, Bruno says that he can sing well. 15th one, the coach said that that was their house. 16th one, the teacher said to them to sit there. Now question number 3D. Turn the following sentences into passive voice. So we need to change the active sentences into passive voice. So in this also we directly read the answers. First one, grammar is taught to us by Miss Sullivan. Second one, the town was destroyed by an earthquake. Third one, the building was damaged by the fire. Fourth one, French is taught by whom? Fifth one, the streets were thronged by spectators. Sixth one, he was praised by the teacher. Seventh one, the injured was taken to the hospital by the fireman. Eighth one, the teacher was pleased by the boys' work. Ninth one, the snake was killed with a stick by them or somebody. 10th one, he was found guilty of murder by them. 11th one, this house was built by John Matthews in 1991, and the 12th one is the letter was posted by Alice. Now question number 4 will be done in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.